and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me much pleasure to be here again this evening. As the CEO mentioned, this is the third time that I've been asked to light up the Christmas tree, the Digicel Christmas tree. It gives me much pleasure to do so. I think all companies have a responsibility to the community in which they operate in, and Digicel certainly has set the mark in terms of its community participation and community spirit, and what better way to do it than to participate with all of us in the Christmas spirit. Christmas obviously is a time of giving, it's a time of celebrating, it's a time of rejoicing, and it's a time of having fun with everybody around us, in your families, with your children, with your neighbors, and of course a country as a whole. And the Christmas tree at Sakuna Park in Suva, the capital city, definitely has become a landmark. I'd like to thank Digicel for this initiative. I'd like to wish all of you to, if you can, contribute to the wonderful initiative that Digicel has started, which is giving a gift any size, any shape, and you can put it in the box and they'll certainly deliver it to anybody that's deserving of it, in particular children who do not have parents who can afford gifts or those who are orphans. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I thank Digicel once again for being a wonderful corporate citizen and setting up this Christmas tree here, and wish all of you a fantastic and a Merry Christmas. Punaka, thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it. On the count of three, we're going to yell out Merry Christmas. 2, 3, Merry Christmas!